Hi there, welcome to English for Everyone. My name's Lisa. Today we're going to talk about the difference between at the concert and in concert. Let's get started. Remember, we use the preposition at when we talk about location. For example, they're not at the bank, they're not at the store, they're not at the library. Where are they? They're at the concert. Use the preposition at when you talk about location. They're at the concert. You can say at a concert when you talk about one concert, not specific, in general. At a concert. But if you're talking about a specific concert, we say at the concert. It's a specific concert. Everybody knows about it. They're at the concert. Let's practice. Are there a lot of people at the concert? That's right. There are a lot of people at the concert. Good job. If you're talking about a singer who is performing, we say in concert. And remember, the is not necessary. We don't say in the concert. We say in concert. For example, I've never seen Elton John in concert. Have you ever seen Elton John in concert? Good job. I want to see Regina Spektor in concert. Who do you want to see in concert? Good job. So remember, we say at the concert when we talk about location. There are a lot of people at the concert. We say in concert when we're talking about a singer who is performing in concert. And remember, the is not necessary. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn English and practice speaking English, subscribe to our channel. Bye!